So hey guys, check out this live look of the Pixel 8 Pro in a greyish black color finish. One thing to highlight is that flat front display which has symmetrical design without much space on the top and bottom. This giving it a nearly bezel-less appearance, reminding us of the Samsung S22 Plus. However, Pixel 8 Pro takes it a step further with its maximum Quad HD Plus resolution and impressive high refresh rate. The back panel is the real deal. It is packed with a huge camera module that comes loaded with a lot of sensors. There is the impressive Samsung GN2 main sensor, a super wide lens and even a periscope camera. But that's not all, it's got dual laser autofocus, a mic, a flash and even a thermometer for scanning body heat. The design language of the Pixel 8 Pro is still pretty much like the Pixel 7 Pro, which is totally cool because I really liked it. So without a doubt we can expect another unique design this time around. On top of that, Google is also enhancing its current desktop mode by making the user interface more polished and upgrading keyboard functionalities. This indicates that Google's DeX alternative might be a step ahead. However, I highly doubt it will offer the convenience of wireless connectivity like Samsung's DeX. Moving on, we have another big detail to talk about and it's all good news. Android Authority has revealed the battery capacity and the charging speeds of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Starting with the charging speeds, Google has increased the charging speeds up to 24 watt on Pixel 8 and 27 watt on Pixel 8 Pro. This is up from 20 watt and 23 watt on the previous models. The wireless charging, however, will remain unchanged. Google has also increased the battery capacity on both Pixel 8 phones. The Pixel 8 will have a 4485 mAh battery, which is 5% more than its predecessor, which has a 4270 mAh cell. The Pixel 8 Pro on the other hand will see a minor increase of 24 mAh from 4926 mAh on the Pixel 7 Pro to 4950 mAh. I think Google will still market it as a 5000 mAh and 24 mAh is too small but a welcome addition indeed. And finally, the Pixel 8 lineup will be available in more countries than usual at the launch. So what do you think about this Pixel 8 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.